Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in Westmoreland area in the White House. So I know a lot of people travel Jamaica and sometimes they want a villa to stay. So I'm just giving a tour of the area there. So they can keep on watching the people. One love, one heart, and big up for yourself. Westmore Beach Villa. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. So now have an idea how I go on. Some nice houses on the hill across from Westmore Beach Villa. Welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so today guys I'm in the Westmoreland area, White House, as you can see. Westmoreland Beach Villa. So let's take a tour in this area and see what, let us see what we can see in this area. So I make the left turn, as you can see. Maybe you have a property they want to clean up and stuff, so don't see any sign for sale there. So if there's a sign for sale, I would let you all know. Very close to the sea. Road condition kind of bad still. Think them need to do something in that area, because it's a very place we can develop. See a lot of property and stuff. So if you want a beach villa, your money can come in that area. You can see what go on very close to White House town area. Very close. Yeah, you can see the turn off. So this is the entrance of the villa. So you can go online and book it. So you have an idea which spot to find this villa. Yeah man, so taking the back on the main, you know. Yes, some people, I'm just showing you beautiful Westmoreland, you know. Beautiful Westmoreland. Look up on the hill, there's some beautiful house. You can get a view over into the sea. Very nice hillside view. Like them buy off all of them property in this area. Tell us some nice houses in the Westmoreland area, you know, man. Some very nice houses in the White House. Some of the time we can't watch the road condition, we just have to just drive, you know. Yeah man, we are tour the area and so what we will see in this area. Beautiful houses. But you know, Jamaica, when it come on to road condition, that's the only problem. When you know, so the road them kind of very bad. Yeah man, the road them very bad in Jamaica. no matter where you go, you're gonna find bad road. So we just have to understand say so Jamaica stay. Don't know what they can do to put things in place. So I make the left turn back on the main road. So I'm gonna make the right turn. Yeah man, it's them places kinda gated. Notice private property. Trespassers will be persecuted. So them places are private property. So you know say gated, can't really go on them property like that. So I make you know go on when you come to Westmoreland area. Yeah man, me our next place I'm gonna like for to see. Very, very, very nice hillside view. So I check if I see some property for sale up there. Yeah man, I have to look out for them stray animal them then. I have to look out for them stray animal there. Look out for them stray animals. So I'm gonna make a left turn across from the west. Oh, it's Westmore Beach. Westmore. Yeah man, sorry about that, it's Westmore. I never really look too well to see what I go on, you know? So I'm gonna drive in that area and see where we can see another area. Tell us there are some nice houses in this area. Get a nice view of the sea. Don't see any property for sale. Yeah, because I'm still looking to see if I see any property, but don't see any for sale at the moment. So let's say when you're up on the hill and look over into the sea, it's a beauty. So catch the view now, my people. Catch the view here. Yeah, man, you can see the view right over into the sea. Yeah, man. Nice view. Ain't it Westmoreland beautiful? In the White House area. Don't see any property for sale. Yeah, man, realize come like all of them places sell out. So yes, my beautiful people, don't see any property for sale in this area. Yeah, man, say I don't know me a hunt for property. For my viewers and subscribers them same way. Don't see any property for sale. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.